The Polk Audio DB 6.5-inch and 6x9-inch bundle delivers a noticeably fuller, more dynamic soundstage than typical factory speakers, with clear highs and solid mid-bass that hold up even at higher volumes. Both pairs are marine certified and sealed against water, dust, and grime, so they stand up well in boats, off-road vehicles, and open-top cars where lesser speakers quickly deteriorate. Thanks to their wide frequency response that reaches down into real bass territory and extends well into crisp treble, these speakers handle everything from rock to electronic music without sounding thin or harsh. The efficient design makes them easy to drive from a standard head unit, yet they scale nicely with an external amplifier, giving you room to upgrade the rest of your system later. Installers will appreciate the relatively shallow mounting depth and universal-friendly baskets, which allow these speakers to drop into many factory openings with minimal modification and a clean factory-like appearance. Durable cones, rugged surrounds, and corrosion-resistant hardware give this bundle a reassuringly long-term feel, making it a smart choice if you want a one-time upgrade that can survive years of daily use in rough weather.